Okay, we're going to talk about paper towel holders today, and the fact that someone cannot design one. Alright, first of all, here's my old one that I put in all year ago, but I don't like it because, you see, when you're going to get a towel, sometimes it'll just fall out, okay? This is ridiculous. You put your towel, now it's easy to load and then get you a towel, but sometimes you'll come over here and come get you a towel. Look at there. The thing, isn't that crazy? Alright, so anyway, I go to Walmart and I'm going to replace it, so I get this one, man. That's cool looking. I kind of like it. That looks good. This is a pretty good looking paper towel holder. However, I sort of felt like something's wrong with this when I bought it. Well, anyway, let's just see what we got here. Here's your paper towel holder, and it's going to go up under here. You see, it's going to go up under the cabinet, but it's so tight. Look at this. Look, this is your paper towel holder. Okay, this is supposed to dispense paper towels. You're going to dispense. Let's see if we can get it to roll. Well, okay, it won't roll. Let's see if we can get it to roll. My God. Maybe it's not supposed to roll. Maybe you're supposed to roll it yourself. Anyway, we can send people to the moon, but we can't design a paper towel holder.